Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday, time for One Mind Wednesday. It is January the 7th, 2026, the first Wednesday of the year. Yeah, we're a week in. We are a week into it. How's it going? How's this year going for you already? Well, I'm on my phone today because as we do often have to do in life is pivot. The internet in the neighborhood where I live is being serviced today, and so it's very unreliable. So, shift. That's the thing. Not unexpected that there are shifts every day, just in life in general, but in the accelerated living in particularly in this country and in the world right now, and particularly in this year, is requiring that we do learn how to shift. It's a modern version of adapt, or die, pretty much. And it's stressful. It is absolutely stressful. And we have incredible tools available to us. Not just in a new year, not because we're making resolutions, not because we have said, I'm going to commit to doing so and so and so and so, and here's my goals, and here's my dreams, and here's all that. The tools we have are, number one, faith. And right now it is a very deep practice to continue to have faith that good things are unfolding. If we look at the circumstances, conditions, and appearances of the world, it looks very much otherwise. And this is where we are being called to shift, to pivot every moment, every day, back to, I have faith that there is good coming from this. Yes, it is painful, it is uncomfortable. There are so many unconscionable things happening right now in the world. Very cruel and inhumane things. I'm not blind to it. I know you know that. But I can focus on that. I can spin myself in it. I can twist myself into knots, knowing that for 99.9% of it, I have no control over. That's what makes me sometimes feel so very helpless. But if I continue to shift my consciousness in this practice, and this is my practice too, there is good in this, let me see it. That's my prayer, that's my mantra. Let me see it, let me, better than that, let me contribute to the good. That is my practice. It is not easy. It is not comfortable. I have whiny, cranky days. I have WTF days, moments, many of them throughout the day. And my practice and my practice and my practice is, no matter what is happening outside of anything right now, how am I showing up? And my choice and my commitment is to show up as love, to show up in service to others, and to follow the whisper of divine guidance that I get, not to procrastinate with it. I don't have time to procrastinate anymore. It's mine to follow. So I invite you, if this resonates with you at all, just take that in. Every day is a new year, the beginning of a new year. The calendar date does not matter. We are called, we are being called, and we have been being called to be in the moment, as love, to be in the moment in service to others, and to be in the moment paying attention to the divine guidance that we are receiving. We just don't often see it, and a lot of times we don't want to because it's not comfortable. So buck up, buckos. I love you all dearly. I'm bucking up best I can. Bucking with a B. All right. I will see you again next Wednesday for One Mind Wednesday. This is Reverend Kit Holmes. Thank you for joining me. And remember, we are all a part of the one mind, the one consciousness. Yes, we are all in this together. So kindness matters. Love is indeed the only answer. Keep pivoting, my friends. Keep pivoting. I love you all dearly. I'll see you next week. Take care.